My name is Saumil Savargaonkar and I'm 23 years old. I work at ISRO now, but my journey began much earlier when I was just 11 years old learning how to code Hello World in Python. What started as a hobby soon became a passion, and that passion led me to study game development at the Rochester Institute of Technology. Post my graduation, I worked with some of the most interesting up-and-coming startups, and I'm now writing 3D visualization algorithms for ISRO's satellite imaging department. When I was in the 6th grade, I was approached by some friends inviting me to join Avishkaar's international robotics competition. I didn't know anything about robotics, and to be honest, I was quite intimidated. But something about it sparked my curiosity, and I decided to give it a try. From the moment I started, I fell in love with robotics. It wasn't just about building robots, it was about the joy of creating something with my own hands and the thrill of seeing it come to life. I kept at it, joining more competitions, and through these competitions, I met some of my closest friends I still talk to today. Over the years, I participated in 4 competitions. We won 2, and even though the other 2 didn't end in victory, they're still treasured memories for me. Whether we were building land and water rescue bots or Mars rovers, every project taught me something new. I learned how to design, how to code, and how to solve problems. These are skills I still utilize every day. But it wasn't just about the competitions. I loved robotics so much that I kept attending Avishkaar's workshops even after the contests were over. I worked on all sorts of projects just to see what was possible. To everyone watching, I just want to say, don't be afraid to start your robotics journey. With Avishkaar, there's always something for everyone, no matter your age or experience. Whether you're just a curious kid or already a passionate innovator, give it a try. You never know where it might take you. For me, it's been an incredible journey, and I hope it can be for you too.